Hi everyone, Dorota Nail, international nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna be playing with very quick and easy flowers done with the one brush of the stroke. This is actually amazing. Have a preview of them in here. Such an easy way to create a nice spring summer nail art, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So let's start. So this is super easy floral nail art, and I need to show you how to achieve it. So I've got 3 tips in here, and we will do those flowers on the 3 tips using those new colors, and they are absolutely amazing. 273, look how pretty it is, wow. Then we've got some purple one, 274. And I love when we're getting a new collections of the gel polishes because it just gives you so many other ideas. 277, this is my new favorite, and 276. So we've got like all those kind of purple range in here and pinks. And then you want to also grab your watercolor brush, guys. So it is super awesome brush for very quick and easy designs. And I would start with this purple, and what you want to do it is just do a splash of the color here, splash of the color there, and then a splash of the color here. How cool is that? Straight away I'm gonna go on another nail, and if this flower is here, we can make another one in here. So flower there, and then flower here, flower here, and flower here. Okay, without cleaning my brush, I'm going for another color, and I'm just applying a little bit of those other color. You can see it, they already kind of blending into a beautiful shades. They just so go together. Okay, so another one, there we are. And then I can go for this pink. Again, I even didn't clean my brush because it's all about easy and quick design. And then the purple one, I can just add it in some places. Okay, I think that's me happy with it. Let's do something there as well. So the next step is to grab the flower petal brush, and I already got some colors which I have used on this one, and some French gel. This one is almost at the end, so I'm just gonna clean my brush. And then you can see the shape of it. They come in a set of the brushes, like you can see me using quite a lot the ombre one, and I'm just trying to pick up those white French gel. And basically what you have to do it is you just go and grab the color you've got in there and do one move of the brush to create a petal, second move of the brush, and then here we are going to go opposite way, and we've got flower. This is amazing, like it goes so fast and so quick just with the one touch of the brush, and each time you will get a slightly different petal depending what direction you're going. Okay, I'm happy with this one, so I can give it a flash cure. If you start feeling you have not enough white and they are not too pastel-y, just clean your brush and pick up the white again. Because it is kind of all about mixing those colors together. That's a pretty petal. Let's go over it again. Wow. So nice. And so quick, like really quick petals. If you feel it like it's kind of become too smudged, clean your brush again, because we've got too many colors now. And pick up the white again. Just go over it. There we are. And then the flower here. So I'm actually going to go that way. Brilliant. Let's cure it and move on into the next step. So the next step is we are going back to our watercolor brush. And now you want to introduce a drop of the black. So just a drop of the black and go into those dark color. Okay, the magenta one. Paint a rounded shape And try to have all sort of different colors here, like, you know, so it's black and those darker color as well. Do the same on another one. So this is also super fast design, like for a salon. And I had a similar dress actually, like those flowers which we are creating here. Okay, that is brilliant. It's a time to swap to the D-liner brush and some white French gel. I'm just trying to pick up the scoop of it. And what you want to do it is, in some places, you just want to highlight the veins of the petals. Like I do really like this one going on in here. I can just highlight it. I can highlight this one there. And maybe this one here. That's plenty. Do not overdo it. A nice vein in here. That is great. Do not cure it yet because we want to do also the middles of the flowers, and because it's a quick design we don't have to do many flash cures. Very easy one. And then here I've got nice vein there. Kind of separate this petal. I like how this one turned it out. I'm not gonna touch it with anything else because it just looks perfect the way it is. And this one is done. So clean my brush and go into the black. Now what you want to do it, because these parts aren't cured, you are gonna grab some of those magenta color, but also you've got black on your brush. So we are creating the middles of the flower. And try to pull it kind of in a one direction, so perfect. Let's cook it. And even just this middle, like, is really interesting, but it's quite fast to do it. But just always pull it also, so I cannot go with my brush this direction. I need to kind of pull it because then you get thinner lines coming out of the center of the flower. And you're also grabbing this magenta color, which you've got inside. So just keep brushing it. Look how beautiful and interesting it becomes. Perfect. Okay, ready for the final step. So I'm just gonna take a white again. But this time, hopefully this one is fuller, yes. So just pick up a bit more of the white. And we are gonna do the dots. As you know, guys, something we shouldn't be doing with our brush, but that actually gives us the nicest dots. So what you want to do with the dots is, first of all, you want to go pretty irregular, and then you want to go very close to those lines, but without of going on top of these lines. And look how pretty this middle is. Definitely it is a salon design, and even if you've got shorter nails, you would just place like 1 or 2 flowers. To be honest, any kind of design I'm showing you, even if it's done on the longer nails, it will still look okay on the shorter nails, because I have been, so basically when I'm doing a tutorial for you on the YouTube, like, and I do love some sort of design, like say example this flowers, but there was also another one with the roses. I just have to recreate that in a salon, and quite a lot of my clients were very short natural nails, and I'm doing those designs on those short natural nails, and they look absolutely and as like fantastic the same way they would do look on the longer nails. So there isn't such a thing like, oh, this design wouldn't work or look good on the shorter nails. You can absolutely recreate that without of trouble. Just obviously you wouldn't put as many flowers in, but there we are. That's our super quick and super easy design done. I also noticed it, guys, that you kind of prefer those simple easy nail art, so you can recreate it as well. But sometimes I will be putting you some harder ones too. And of course all the products I have used today are available on our website, which is listed in the description of this video. And if you have liked it, you could hit the share button, or at least give us a like, just to give us more motivation to produce more content for you. Okay, let's do the other two, and then I can show you the final look all together. Of course, it wouldn't look as pretty as when we're taking a thumbnail picture. And here is another question I get asked it quite a lot. What do I use to make those nails stick? And they are just to show you guys like how to recreate some kind of look and show you the nail art. They are videos on this channel when I'm sculpting a fresh set of the nails, or when I'm doing a fresh set of the nails on the tips. And basically what you would do is you would build up your nails, like I do have those ones, and then you would do this design. I'm just basically taking like a tiny bit of the blue tack, and that's what I'm using actually to stick those tips in. I would place it there, and if my hand doesn't have like tons of crystals, basically what I'm doing is I'm just sticking those nail like this. And this is only for a picture purpose. Like I wouldn't wear them press on nails. Like I don't feel press on nails are staying as well and as long as the extensions, and I have no time to do my nails like every 2 weeks, so I like to wear my nail extensions for a long time. Look how pretty this design look on the hand. Like, can imagine the summer dress. Yeah, absolutely stunning.
Much better than what you've got on your nails.
Patrick like it better what I've got it. See, but
Like
it's
for me.
for you. See, my trouble is actually that it's really rare for me to have a color on my nails, if that makes sense. Like I usually go for white, like French, baby boomer, you know, kind of very classy black, very classy colors. Almost like a wedding style nails. This is something what I love to wear the most for every day. I'm not sure if I would be brave enough actually to have it on my nails, something like this, but it's kind of comes to my head that I should quickly rebalance them, change even the shape, because my natural nails underneath are extremely long and it just doesn't look nice, and do maybe something floral, something with the flowers on, to see how I would feel about it. But that's how this set looks, and obviously we will do a really nice thumbnail picture for it on my hand with the blue tack. Sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!